Finally. I want out. Let's get out of Nishardark. Let's get out of Nishardark. Before I lose my patience. With... Yeah. Ugh. That was one annoying city. If I ever go into that city again, I wanna meet a tailor. Just press the bloody button.
Now that the boilers are working, it should be simple to release the book from its protective case.
Oh my god.
I hope it was worth it. Please, be my guest. You deserve the first book.
You just want to see if it doesn't kill me.
It could be very dangerous. These books are known to drive many people insane. Oh, good. Be sure to say hello to our mayor's forum.
That. Whoops. Oh well. I won't be escaping library.
So, another seeker after knowledge into his mind.
Not have knowledge. You know.
This is Apocrypha, where all knowledge is written. Perhaps you will be clever enough to uncover the secrets hidden here. If so,
I don't like that.
welcome.
I don't like that voice. It's like I speak so slowly. Ah, for God's sake, stop whipping me. That's...
You are a fool or a coward. If so, you're in peril.
No. Get in. Get.
For Apocrypha claims you forever. You are a fool or a coward. If so, you're in peril. Read your book again and escape before Apocrypha claims you forever.
There goes my one-way ticket out of here. Oh well. And 5 years later, I was still stuck on the island. The small island. Right then. Go. You can take me out of the way. I finally got to a book. And I was happy that I finally managed to find this bloody book. Oh god, I'm in the library, aren't I? Is this place called the library? Oh, I'll find that librarian and I'll kill him if he put... I'm gonna put the librarian and kill him. Maybe that's the librarian over there. I'll kill you for putting me through this. No. What are you doing? I'm killing you for putting me in this library. No! This is the library. This is for knowledge, not violent children. I'm not a child. No, kids, there's no need for violence. Security. I need help. I'm being attacked. No, he doesn't. He's lying. He's Jimmy. I want some books. There we go, the reassuring sound. You see... Would you like to read the last the Argonian made? No thanks. If I'm honest, I am completely shattered by this. Breathtaking offer to be relieved of this hell. I hate Sorry, I was silent. I was remembering some childhood memories. Are you interested in a pregnancy test? Or no? Then you should go F yourself. If yes, you've come to the right place. You're a murderer. Blood on earth day. To me, these books have everything. Damn it. Bam. Come on. Yeah, I thought so. I really don't like where this is going. Fall Seekers. How much sorcery is needed for you? Yeah, they have no effect on my stalkers. Okay, just you. Don't make me lose my patience with any of you, because I will. Chapter 4, here we come, chapter 4. Oh well. Here goes nothing. That's it, this was a summative.
All seekers of knowledge, come to me, sooner or later.
Oh, no,
All seekers of knowledge, come to me, sooner or later.
how about sooner? Who are you? Itty. What do you want of me?
You have entered my realm. You have sought out the forbidden knowledge that only one other has attained. All seekers of knowledge, come to me, sooner or later.
What do you want of me?
You have entered my realm. You have sought out the forbidden knowledge that only one other has attained. You are dragonborn, like Mirac before you, a seeker of knowledge and power.
Yes, I came here to learn Mirac secrets.
To use your power as Dragonborn, to bend the world to your will.
No, that's completely wrong.
Here then, use the knowledge you need, although you did not know you needed it. The second word of power is to bend the wills of mortals to your purpose. But this is not enough. Mirac knows the final word of power. Without that, you cannot hope to surpass him.
I will learn it.
Mirac served me well, and he was the same power as he wields, but all knowledge has spread.
So what's the price for the final word of power?
Have withheld their secrets from me for many long years. The time has come for this knowledge to be added to my library.
Oh, so it's a skull and bringing our secrets. What?
I will give you the knowledge that you seek. Then the skull shaman to me. He holds the secrets that will be mine.
Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, you can have the secrets whenever you want, and you just have to come get them. Got some really fast out and some more damage and may disintegrate enemies. When your fire breath kills an enemy, a fireworm emerges from their corpse to fight for you for 30 seconds. You may unleash it. You know what? That one, so. Always Dragonborn Force. That could come in handy to this Dover here. Well, I'm not a dragon. This Dovahkiin. Okay.
What happened? What did you see?
I spoke to Hermaeus Mora. I forgot to say hi.
You're still acting surprisingly sane, too. What did he have to say?
He wants to speak to the skull in exchange for teaching me the third
What
word.
secrets could they have? Hermaeus Mora. Well, that gives me a lot. To think about. I need to get back to Talmud. I have some ideas about how to locate more of these black books.
What now? Are you sure that's something you want? This isn't like picking out a new outfit. You'll be a creature of the night, like me. You're all talk.
Not all talk. I don't like it with it. My dick. Your dick? Yes, your dick. Yes. The mouth like you. No. Come. You follow me. You follow me. I will kill you all. For dominance. I am a leader. A master assassin. What do you want, the Shardak sucker? Don't believe this. I believe we've met. I don't believe you, Matt, actually. I don't believe you and my friend here have met. Oh my god.
Do you ever wonder what it hurts to have one soul ripped out like that?
Oh, you better not be. I said you...
One death closer to
I think you'll probably end up... You send the dragons because they know you're gonna get killed them. Why send them? You kill them yourself and then you'd be stronger. Honestly. Right, talk to Storm Crackyielder.
Bjorn, you must be calm. I'm sure there's a good reason, but...
Baldur.
God left us.
Something isn't right, Bernard. I feel it in my bones and I smell it in the air. Baldur wouldn't leave without telling someone.
Don't worry yourself over
I am
nothing.
in no
Bjorn.
mood to talk, outsider.
Who's missing?
It is Baldur Ironshaper. As our only smith, Baldur is very important to the village.
Did anything unusual happen around the time of his appointments?
I do not remember Baldur acting strangely. Although now that you ask, I saw two elves in the far distance dragging something behind them. Hunters often visit our land, so I thought little of it.
Where are they headed?
South and west. If your road takes you that way, perhaps you could search for any sign of Baldur. A skull would be great.
This must be that beautiful Skyrim weather I've always heard about.
So the dragons, Hermes Mora, old Herma Mora himself. So he is the source of Mirak's power. Of course. We have many tales of Herma Mora trying to trick us into giving up our secrets to him. And now he comes again for what we have long kept from him.
So the only way he'll teach me the final word of Mirak shall.
So it falls to me to be the one to give up the secrets to our ancient enemy. I do not know if I have the strength to face him. The Tree Stone is still corrupted, The land is still out of balance, but with the other 5 restored, it may be enough.
There is no tree stone.
Yes. The Skal also tell of the day when we must finally give up our secrets. As shaman, it is my duty to guard these. I believe that time. Give me the book. That is my hope as well. I am trusting that you will make this sacrifice worthwhile.
Don't. You don't have to.
Father, you must not do this. That book is wrong, evil, against everything you have taught me my whole life.
I must, Freya. It is the only way to free Solstheim forever from Iraq's shadow. There comes a time when everything must change. Nothing that lives remains the same forever. Do not fear for me, my daughter. This is the destiny that the Old Maker has laid out for me.
Beside, I stand beside you, Father, as always.
I am ready for whatever the foul master of this book has in store for me. There is nothing else to say.
What is it?
I am in the Old Maker's hands now.
Oh, for God's
The strong of their secrets to me.
Father! No, stop!
I won't not.
What is happening? You must stop it! Do something!
Dragon. You are overrated. But you're hungry.
Ah, it doesn't look good.
What is happening?
I give you the
Stop
word
it!
of power.
What is happening? You must stop it!
No, it's already happened.
You will be either a worthy opponent or his successor, as the tides of fate decree.
I think he knew what would happen. Father! What have you done?
These are dark times. How will
Whatever
we
that
get through
was.
them without Storm and
You
Gaia?
will stop. Storm is like whatever that was. To all of us. What next? I do not know what we will do without it.
He has returned to the All Maker.
Do not fail.
A manifestation of Hermaeus Mora. That book Storm was reading. I've read vague hints of them, but never thought to actually see.
Listen, that man's died.
All too much for me.
Freya will grieve, but she will prove a good shaman. Stone took.
Do not let his death be for nothing. Go and stop Mirak.
I suppose in the end of the day, I have no choice. Serana, you cannot follow me this path I intend to take.